Hi again, Chris Mills here with Chrysalis, and I'm going to be going through with you in this exercise the partners management section of the site and the CMS. Alright, so let's start as usual with the front end of the website. If you go to the main menu, you'll see partners here. I believe partners are also listed here under more resources. And you have the option, as you know, when we went through the management of the right hand menu, you have the option to add or remove it from here. You have the option to add to remove it from the main menu as well if you don't need it for your site. So let's click on partners. And on the partners page, we have simply a list of UNFPA partners or partners related to the Caribbean Census Project. And we have the option to put a category. All right, we have international partners, we have a logo, we have some description of the UNFPA, and we also have the page paginating, so paginated. So we have, if we go to page 2, we have regional partners, their logos load up, and we have the option to go back to previous. Okay, there's also a link on the page that allows users to add themselves to the resource center just for convenience, but we will cover the resource center in a subsequent video. So the partners page is really a directory of partners by category with logo and description, and links also to their respective sites. If you click on the logos, it takes you to, for instance, this one will take you to the UNFPA site. At the top of the page, there's also a section where a brief description of the partners page that you too can also edit. All right, so let's jump over to the content management system for a second, and we're going to scroll down to partners management here, right underneath organization management, which we just did previously. And you have three options: manage partners, manage categories, and the page description. So let's start with the page description. Really simple actually. The page title you can change. That's partners, that's basically the name of the page. And this text here is the text here. You can change it as you wish. Okay, that's all there is to it. You can add photos and so on if you want to have a longer description than this, because this editor supports the adding of photographs, linking to other pages, uploading YouTube videos, and so on. And we covered all of this in the About Us management section of the CMS and the video associated with that. The next category under Partners Management is Manage Category. And I click that. And you'll see that we have three categories here. We have international partners, regional partners, academic institutions. And if I wanted to add a category, I'd simply go in here and I'd put in, let's say, I've been using our company as an example. So I'll just use website developers. That would be a category. I'll click add. Once that's done, it's added to the list. And once I now go over to the next category under partners management, that's manage partners. Here we have the list of all the partners. Okay, we have the logos for each one, the status, whether it's active or inactive. If it is inactive, it is listed in the content management system but not shown on the website. We have footer display status, and I'll show you that in a moment. That is active or inactive. Category, we just went through the various categories that we have. There were 4 categories, but as you can see here at a glance, 2 categories are being used: international and regional. We have the option to edit or delete. I'm going to pick the UNFPA, for example. That's currently an international partner. I'm going to edit this. And we have a couple of options available to us now. First, we can change the category. You'll notice that website developers that I just added pops up in this drop-down menu. We're going to leave it as international partners. The link, unfpa.org, that will take the user to the unfpa.org website when they click the logo. Below that, we have the description. I showed you that on the page as well, so let me just jump over for a second. That's the logo. That's the text, the description, that's the category. Go back to the CMS. Going below, we have the alt text. Remember, if you point at a particular image, the text that pops up here says UNFPA. That's the alt text. And then we have the logo. We've already uploaded a logo because we're actually just editing one, but you have the option here to click browse, go to your desktop, find the file that you wanted to upload, the image you wanted to upload, and it will tell you, by the way, that the logo that you're uploading can be any width and the height must be 79 pixels. Okay, and it will size it accordingly for the site. Going on, the status of this partner is active, meaning it's being shown on the website, and footer display status is inactive. Now I should go back to the site for a second, to the front end of the site. Let me go to the home page. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, right now you'll notice that there are no logos here. All right. If I go to the content management system, I go back to the Manage Partners page, you'll notice that the footer display status for all of these companies, or all of these partners, all of the partners is set to inactive. I'm going to go in and I'm going to edit, let's say BSS. I'm going to edit this. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and I'm going to change the status from footer display status to active, update. Now if I go back to the home page and refresh the page, you'll see that the BSS logo now loads at the bottom of the page once it loads. Now that it's loaded, we can go to the bottom of the page and you'll see now that the BSS logo is now here. You have the option to activate as many as you wish, and your partner logos will just pop up at the bottom of the page. It will go across, I believe, 5 logos at a time. So you can have 5, then if you have 7 in total, for instance, you'll have 5 going across here, 2 below that, and then below that you'll have the sitemap, contact us, and so on. Alright, let me just go back to the content management system, scroll back down to the bottom of this record for BSS, change the footer display status back to inactive, update logo, and there we have it. So we've covered the page description for the partners page. We've covered the categories. We've gone to manage partners, and I've shown you how to change the information on the partners page, as well as to activate a partner that's on the partners page and place that also at the very footer of the home page here. Alright, I've just removed that one, so I'm going to refresh the page. And if we scroll now to the bottom of the page, you'll notice that the BSS logo is no longer here. So that covers partner management, and I'll speak to you again soon in the next video. Thanks.